NYCGWENT, you already know what we do.
Y'all, this is your boy Dream Big, aka Chris, back at it again with another video for you guys. You already know what it is. Welcome back to the channel, y'all. Make sure y'all hit that like button. If y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all subscribe. If y'all have Facebook and you're a rider or you're a beginner rider, if you're watching this, go find my group, Moto Vloggers, on Facebook. You know, I want it to be a platform where people can, you know, share their experiences on a bike. Just a real talking forum and a great place for riders around the world to kind of network and, you know, just share their stories, come up with some like riding events and things like that across the country. You know, things is tough right now with COVID, so that would be great. But today in this video, I got some of the best accessories for beginner or, you know, advanced, whatever stage you're in. But this is mainly for beginners, kind of the stage I'm at. And these are kind of the accessories I'm looking at, or some of this stuff I might already have that I might recommend to you guys. Some of the stuff I do have that I don't recommend. So let's start off there with it. I personally have ILM Motors helmet. Y'all probably seen it in some of my videos. I did a unboxing of it, so I'll link it down below. Just check out that video for the unboxing. But my overall review for the ILM Motors helmet, it's pretty good. It was like a $60 helmet, all black. It comes with like a neck scarf and everything, so it's pretty good for like if you're in a cold weather state. I would just say my biggest issue with this helmet, you know, to me it's a pretty decent helmet. You know, you kind of get what you pay for. You know, I feel safe with the helmet on. My only issue is I feel like it gets a lot of wind. It's a lot of wind noise, so eventually you're gonna want to get some earplugs. And also with the cushions, for me, if you're trying to put tech and stuff in there, it doesn't really have the inserts in there. And I see a lot of higher quality helmets that kind of have the chin curtain and a lot more cushioning around like the chin and mouth. So that's my biggest gripe with it. You know, I don't have any regrets buying it, but I definitely am looking for a different helmet that, you know, with less head noise. So I'm not sponsored by Revzilla, so this is off of Revzilla's website. So, you know, if you're a new squid, and you're new to motorcycle riding, check out Revzilla. They have a lot of great gear. You know, a lot of people have recommended me to this site. So, you know, I don't got that showy. I'm not trying to spend the showy, but you know, the showy helmets are pretty good. I'm actually looking at the Agv K1 helmet. So I'm looking for this helmet simply because, you know, it's at a good price right now. I like the glossy black look. I think it looks great. You know, got the little Italian, you know, little Italian flag on the front. You know, should be good quality. And I just heard great things about this mask, and has all the cushioning that I like. And it has a chin curtain or guard or shield, whatever you call it. And I just think that's pretty dope, and you know, I like it. So check that out. Another good helmet here. If you're into like different vibes, I think the Icon helmet's pretty cool. This whole thing comes up. I like the shape. It gives me like that Halo, like a Halo vibe. But you know, I've seen a couple people, even the my homeboy out here that we went riding with, that was on the channel a couple of videos ago on the group ride. He had one of these Icon helmets, and you know, he said nothing but good things, and you know, they fit pretty well. And it seems like they got good ventilation on the front, so you know, that might be something to try on too. I haven't tried it on, so I'll look into trying to get it fitted. So for boots, then I got this jacket. I got this Alpine Star Andre's V2 Dry Star jacket. So I'm in a little bit of a cold weather. I'm in Washington, so when I go back to Texas, I might look at some different jackets. But I might still be able to use this jacket because it has a lot of ventilation and it's just kind of an all season jacket. You know, you could take out the liner in there, and as you can see, it has a lot of vents on the front. And if they show it, yeah, there's vents on the back as well. So this is a great jacket. I like it. It's, you know, you can add it. It has shoulder padding, upper shoulder padding. It has the forearm padding. You have to pay for the back padding insert. It's also the chest padding inserts as well. So, you know, it's a really good jacket, and as you can see, it comes in many different colors. Yeah, I think it's pretty good. Like I said, with Alpinestars, you know, you can always get like the airbag. You can always add the airbag protection to this. So you get the airbag vest to put under or on top of this, and you know, just to make your riding experience just to be a little safer when you're riding. So, and you could get the pants to go with these. So, and the shoes and everything. So, you know, this is a brand that, you know, I trust, and they make good quality products. And, you know, I have nothing but good experience. My jacket is like great. It keeps me warm on the cold days. And so no complaints. I definitely recommend this jacket if you're looking for one and you're new to riding. And I even used this jacket in the rain, and it does really good in the rain too. And you know, I'm in Seattle. I always get some damn rain. So definitely recommend that. You definitely gonna need one of these devices. You're gonna need a Senna or a Cardo, whichever one fits in your budget. You're definitely gonna need one of these. You know, I've been riding for a couple months now, and it's just, I definitely try to figure out different ways to maneuver my AirPods in my ear, but they always fall out. So if you're somebody that likes to listen to music while you're riding, you're definitely going to want to buy one of these, especially if you're planning on eventually riding with somebody else. You're going to need one of these so you can talk with them, or you can just get you know, honestly, you can get the regular Sienna that's just Bluetooth, and you can like do like a conference call. You know, if you don't want to do pack talk, I know a lot of people kind of, because you know, with the Sienna and Cardo, it's like only a mile, but you know, if you use your regular phone, you'll be able to just call them, and you don't have to worry about being that close. So that's another tip, you know, save some money if you're in for it. Yeah, so check those out, price that out, whichever one works best. All right, so next we got the riding pants. So I recommend, you know, if you do end up getting the jacket that I recommended, this is the pants that goes with it. And you know, these zip right in to your jacket, and you know, it matches and everything. So I would recommend getting something that matches and goes with whatever jacket you decide to get. So for me, looking for the Alpinestars V2 Dry Star pants, and you know, it has the knee padding and hip padding in there for protection. So you definitely want to make sure your body is safe from, you know, and especially your knees are safe from, you know, sliding, hitting that impact of the concrete or asphalt on the street. And you know, it'll just save a lot of your skin, man. I definitely recommend. This one's a tricky one for me because I'm in the military, so I kind of use my military combat boots for protection. But you know, if I'm in my regular clothes, to be honest, I kind of just wear sneakers. But I definitely recommend wearing some type of boots to protect your feet and your ankle. I would prefer something a little more fashionable. I'm not for this one. I don't know if I would go for the Alpinestars. I would probably go for something like this. All right, so for this one, I had to get off Revzilla because their prices were crazy on there. So I would recommend ordering a bag similar to this for your sports bike, because you just never know, and you know, depending on how long you plan on riding, you're not gonna want to have that bag on your back the whole time. So I recommend getting and if you don't have passengers too often, I would recommend getting like maybe a multi-purpose book bag that you can put in your back if you want, just in case you have the extra rider. But you know, you never know. You might go to the store and you might need to put your stuff in it, and you know, you'll just always have a bag on your bike. You know, and for like bag storage. You know, if you have like for me, I keep my motorcycle cover and stuff in my book bag. So like having that at all times, just in case it rains or whatever, you will have that with you is very important. So I recommend getting like a waterproof luggage bag. It doesn't have to be this one. You know, like this says, you can put like an extra helmet just in case. You never know when somebody's going to want to jump on the back or whatever. So I recommend getting something like this. I personally think it's essential if you're a motorcycle rider. Definitely grab one of those. And that's it, guys. Appreciate y'all for the love. Thank y'all for watching this video. Thank y'all for getting this far in this video. I really appreciate all y'all for sticking with me and watching. In a couple weeks, I'm gonna be planning a giveaway. Y'all still haven't found my song or send me the tag for the song on my SoundCloud. So, you know, I'm trying to do a giveaway for you guys. So let me know. Let me know when y'all ready to. Let me know. So I will let y'all know when the next giveaway we'll be having for December for the holidays. So stay tuned for that. And if y'all have any feedback on any of the things I listed in this video, drop it in the comments down below. If you're new, make sure you subscribe. And it's your boy, Chris, and I'm out. Squawk! Nice.